Sorry. Boys, Lucky Charm got a lot of Miss India, Miss Universe. Tell us about this. You'll be hosting again this time. So tell us about the Lucky Charm that you did.
I don't know about Lucky Charm, but I've had the pleasure of being part of many Miss India pageants where I've hosted and seen many winners come out of it. So it's just been a wonderful journey, and I look forward to this year as well.
Being a host, what are the things you keep in mind, like apart from being witty and charming?
What do I keep in mind? That I shouldn't forget anything. जब भी मैं मतलब बात कर रही हूँ मुझे बस यही दिमाग में आता है कि मुझे सब याद रहना चाहिए, सबके नाम मुझे बराबर से याद रहना चाहिए. And at all times I should remember to smile and be pleasant.
You will be next scene in the song Hello Hello in the movie Pataka. Tell us about it. How was the experience?
Well, it was wonderful. I had a great time. After very long, I'm shooting for a song. तो बहुत मजा आया, definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. Just pictures. I'm taking her. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay, we're done.
We have to
Okay,
start our show.
we are getting late. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Keep on walking. Wait, she's not stopping. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
No, she asked her no. Richa, please take her.